Yes, I'm Danny Altman, the owner of Olo Body and Paint Shop. I've been in business since 1978 and continue to be so in the future. Love to have your business.
Hi, I'm Brian Altman. I'm the son of Danny Altman, who is the owner of this shop. And one day I will be taking over this business, and I'm the painter here at Olo Body Shop, and I am taking this business into newer territory, and it will continue this business into the future. Currently mixing up a color code for a Ford. It's a white color. I'm using Lesinol Waterborne base coat. And we were the first ones in Mississippi to ever start using waterborne paint. We continue to be on the cutting edge of new, better materials